Welcome to Humanity and End Time Events. These are the real footage of disasters happening around the world fulfilling end time Bible prophecy. Watch till the end.
Doubling of the sunspot, AR36664. Sunspot AR3664 doubled in size, becoming the largest sunspot recorded this solar cycle. Its area has grown by approximately 1,800 million kilobrouillers, now exceeds 3,700 million kilobrouillers. Today again, there is a flare of the strongest X-2.2 class on the sun, Sunspot AR3664.
在中有不可思议的才能到射不上，就是爱吗？不要就是爱
5 places where hail is hit. Over here, that's in the bunkhouse.
Years. But it's one he sure did because he, like most in women.
This is how big the hail is, close to about 4 inches across.